Welcome back and thank you for watching. This is a follow-up on my video, Millet is superior to corn. If you have not watched it, please do. Also, you can watch my other video, Millet is better than wheat and rice for diabetes. You will know the other use of millet. Before we continue, let's go over some of its health benefits. First of all, millet is good for blood group O and B. Digests faster than maize, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart attack. Millet is also rich in vitamin B, B6, folic acid, phosphorus, and manganese. It is also good for diabetes, and millet acts as an antioxidant, and it benefits those suffering from arthritis, inflammation, poor bone health, etc. The reason for this follow-up video is as a result of questions I received. Someone called Tina Omoro sent a message that he tried it but didn't enjoy it much. I will come to that. Also, most of the questions I got was how to prepare the millet to get the dough. This is the video I'm showing, so please watch to the end. Let me start with the preparation first. As you've already seen from the video, you have to remove the unwanted particles from the millet first. Wash it and soak it in water for 2 to 5 hours. Send it to corn mill. But if you are in abroad or you are at where you can't get a corn mill to mill your millets, you can blend it with your blender at home. It will come out perfectly as the one you sent to the miller, like you are seeing in the video. This is the blended type of the millet, but the first one is the one I sent to the miller to mill it. So the preparation is not difficult at all. All you have to do is to remove the unwanted particles from the millet, wash it, soak. Now to the other question, I tried it but I did not like it much. What I would say is, since it's a new food you are introducing into your system, it will take some time to get used to the food. As you keep on eating it, your system will get used to. As for me and my family, we are so used to this kind of meal. Another question was, what can I eat with it? You can eat with your leftover soup. You can eat with your okra soup. You can eat with fried fish. You can eat with pepper. Anything you eat with your corn. You can also eat with millet. It's the same, just that the millet is lighter than the maize. That's the only difference I see, because before we were eating corn, and the only difference is the maize is heavier than the millet. That's the only difference. So you can eat with anything. Thank you all for watching my video, and thank all those who also contributed from Facebook, from WhatsApp, from YouTube. Thank you all. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.